In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password even if you forgot it. So all you have to do is to open your Instagram app and go to your profile page. Click the three horizontal bars on the top right and click on settings. Under settings, tap on security, and once you're there, you can go to password. Now, if you have remembered your current password, you can type it in here and then write your new password and retype your new password. Now, if you remembered your current password, then you can change a new password and then click save, and it will be changed to your account. However, if you forgot your old or current password, this is what you're going to do. Go back to settings and tap on log out. So you have to log out from this account, and then you will be able to see this on your page, and just tap that account and remove that one to your logins. So for example, this is the account that I have logged out to. You have to manage your profiles. Click on that and remove that profile to your logins. Now, once you have removed that device, or you have removed that account from this device, you can now go and log a new account or enter a new account, wherein you have to write your username, email, or the mobile number that you have used. So in this case, I'm going to write the email that I have used on that account, and then click forgot password. Then to find your account, you can type in your username or your email, and then tap find account. Now they will give you the option, and then you will see that account, and you have to confirm it since you forgot it. So you have to click send code using your phone number or your email. And once you get all ready, just copy the code that was sent to you from your inbox, whether on your email or your phone number, and then copy that, and then you may paste or write the code in the box provided there wherein it says the code was sent to your email or to your mobile number, and then enter that code, and then click continue. You write your new password and save your login info. Click save, and that's it. You have changed your password. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.